Hi, I'm Joe Rand with Portage Bay Solutions. In this video, I'll be showing some of the new FileMaker 17 features, specifically the redesigned developer palettes, the new grouping functionality, and the new default fields functionality. The redesigned developer palettes are now built into the layout view when editing a layout. Previous versions of FileMaker, the Fields palette, Objects palette, and Inspector were individual windows accessed through the View menu. In FileMaker 17, these objects were integrated into the main window in Layout mode, so you can access these objects by first going into Layout mode, then enabling the individual panes in the top right corner of the window by clicking here. On the left, the Fields palette shows a list of available fields with a drop-down selector to change table clearances. The Objects palette shows a list of all available objects on the current layout, and allows the developer a lot more options when working with individual objects. On the right, the inspector window remains mostly untouched, with tabs for position, styles, appearance, and data. Additional inspector and accessibility inspector windows can be opened from the view menu, but these open as floating windows. Another new feature to FileMaker 17 is the redesign used on grouped objects. Prior to 17, grouped objects behaved as one object, unless the objects were selected using the Objects palette. In 17, objects within a group can be selected independently. In this example, we'll select the company, website, and web viewer objects. To select an individual object within the group, select the object group, and then with the object group selected, you can now select individual objects and modify them independently. FileMaker 17 now includes a default fields XML file. As the name implies, this file holds the default field settings used when a table is added to a file. This file can be overwritten with a blank file to not add any default fields to a new table, or it can be customized with different fields, or to match the naming standards of your solution. This feature is especially handy when using the new portal tool to quickly add tables to a solution. Having the default fields pre-populated saves the developer a bit of work when preparing a new table. Don over at Saline Consulting has a great video on modifying the default fields XML file, which will be in the link below. That's it for this video. Please contact us if you would like additional information on FileMaker 17. Thanks.